Maabitha a borithi matongoretio ni munini wa kamishona wa mwena uyu Were Simiyu ni mahithukire nyumba imwe ya uikaro mwena wa Nyamaroto Bahati kaunti-ini ya Nakuru kuria thũgũri ya uthondeki na wendia wa njohi ngananie iratwarithio na mbere, na oho maikia ngono aruti a wira 6 na uthuthuria wa gwethana na mwene ni wambikitwo.
The house that looks residential has been converted into a manufacturing den of illicit alternated liquor. We are in the process of arresting the owner. He has not. We have leads that are going to lead us to get the owner, but we have arrested those who are employed and who are working here. About 6 people who are employed and who are doing this illegal business. This is a residential area. The owner of the premises has not been identified, but we are looking for him.
Kurerikana njohi ino irathondekwo na ethano na gwikirwo matangi-ini na muthia ikenderio muingi.
We have found that they mix ethanol and package that as liquor to go to the market. Because as you can see, even the ones that have been mixed is about 3,000 liters of this, which is packaged in these bottles and sold to the unsuspecting wananchi in Nakuru.
Ndeto ino yukite thutha wa thiku nini kuria kienderio kimwe kia njohi ngananie kirahithukirwo na gucinwo ni andu matoikaine o mwena uyu wa Nyamaroto Bahati.
Kulingana na sisi hawakuwa matarget kutuharibia vitu vyetu. Target yao ilikuwa tu kwa klabu, lakini juu sisi ndio majirani ilibidi tukawa hata sisi tumeafektiwa.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Andũ.